Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Facebook page username on PC. So basically you just have to open your Facebook page or switch from your account to your Facebook page, and you have to go to the left side. Here what you're going to do is you have to click settings, scroll down, tap settings, and then you have to scroll down again here and look for page setup. Tap page setup. And the next thing to do is you have to look for name right here. So as you can see, this is my name, One Marketplace 101. If you tap your name right here, then basically you will see the full details of your name as well as your username. So what you're going to do here is you have to click edit to edit your username. Tap edit or tap this pencil icon, and as you can see, in order for you to change your username, you just have to delete this one. Now you will know if your username is available or not because you will see a check icon or X icon here. So as you can see, this username is available. So what I'm going to do next is to click Save Changes. Now once I tap Save Changes right here, what I'm going to do is to wait, and then I'm going to enter my password. After that, click submit and then reload or refresh your Facebook page. In the upper corner, you will see that your Facebook username has been changed. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.